Excel lets us convert it to text. I'm typing serial number 2 in cell A4 and the formula, equals text, open parenthesis, C3, comma, double quote, symbol of @ close parenthesis, you are watching in cell B4. This formula converts the number to text. By copying this formula I am pasting this on cell C4 and we are getting 9,999. But it still looks like a number. To confirm, I'll copy cells D3 and E3 to D4 and E4. In the Istext column, it's true, and in the Isnumber column, it's false. So, now we are confirmed that 9,999 is a text, not a number. Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hey Excel enthusiasts! I'm PS Chatterjee, and welcome back to another episode of our Intermediate Excel Skills series. Today, we're diving deep into some of Excel's secret weapons, the Istext, Isnumber, mid, and value functions. These powerful tools can help you manipulate text and numbers in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're cleaning up messy data, extracting specific information, or automating complex tasks, these functions are your go-to solutions. So, get ready to level up your Excel game. Let's explore the magic behind these functions together. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips that simplify your work. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or requests for future videos. Serial number 1, identifying data types with Istext and Isnumber. You're looking at a blank table. The title of this video, Secret Weapons of Excel, Intermediate Skill, Part 07, is the table's heading. We also have column headings, serial number for column A, formula for column B, data for column C, and Istext and Isnumber for columns D and E, respectively. Column D and E will be used to test the nature of the data by using the data in column C. By Excel function Istext and Isnumber. I've specially formatted this sheet using conditional formatting to highlight the results. Let's dive into the world of data validation with the Istext and Isnumber functions. Now I am typing serial number 1 in cell A3. Imagine you have a data set, and you're unsure if a specific value is text or a number. This is where these functions come in handy. Here, in cell C3, we have the value 9999. To determine its data type, we'll use the Istext and Isnumber functions. In cell D3, we'll input the formula equals Istext, C3. This formula will return false if the value in C3 is a number and true if it's text. Similarly, in cell E3, we'll input the formula equals Isnumber, C3. This will return true if the value is a number, and false if it's text. As you can see, the Istext function returned false, and the Isnumber function returned true. This confirms that the value 9999 in cell C3 is indeed a number, not text. Serial number 2, converting data from number to text types. Now, let's flip the script and convert a number to text. This is useful when we want to maintain a specific format or use the number in text-based functions. You're watching the digits 9999 in cell C3. We already know that this is a number, not text. Excel lets us convert it to text. I'm typing serial number 2 in cell A4 and the formula equals text, open parenthesis, C3, comma, double quote, symbol of at the rate, close parenthesis. You are watching in cell B4. This formula converts the number to text. By copying this formula, I am pasting this on cell C4 and we are getting 9999. But it still looks like a number. To confirm, I'll copy cells D3 and E3 to D4 and E4. In the Istext column, it's true, and in the Isnumber column, it's false. So, now we are confirmed that 9999 is a text, not a number. Why convert a number to text? Sometimes, we need to treat numbers as text to preserve their exact format or use them in specific text functions. For instance, if you have a product code like 0012, Excel might remove the leading zeros when treating it as a number. By converting it to text, we ensure the zeros are retained. Serial number 3, application of mid function. Now, I'm typing serial number 3 in cell A5 and replacing the data, 9999 in cell C3 with 0012XXX. In cell B5, you are watching the formula equals mid, C3, 1, 4. This is a text function that extracts a specific number of characters from a text string. We've covered the mid function in detail in my previous video. Here, we'll see a practical application. Now by copying the formula equals mid, C3, 1, 4, I am pasting this in cell C5. As a result of this we are watching 0012 in cell C5. Let's break down the formula. C3, this refers to the cell containing the text string 0012XXX. 1. This indicates the starting position of the extraction. 4. This specifies the number of characters to extract from the starting position. So, the formula extracts the first 4 characters from 0012XXX, which is 0012. This is a text string, not a number. To confirm, I'll copy cells D4 and E4 to D5 and E5. In the Istext column, it's true, and in the Isnumber column, it's false. Thus, 0012 is now text, not a number. Serial number 4, converting text to number with the value function. Let's see it in action. I'm typing serial number 4 in cell A6. In cell B6, we are watching the formula equals value, C5. This formula will convert the text in cell C5 to a number. Excel often works more efficiently with numbers than text. Fortunately, we can use the value function to convert text strings that represent numbers into actual numerical values. The value function is quite simple. It takes only one argument, the cell reference to the text string you want to convert. I'll copy and paste this formula into cell C6. Now, we see the value 12 displayed. This is a number, not text. To confirm, let's check the data type using the Istext and Isnumber functions. In cells D6 and E6, we see that the result is false for Istext and true for Isnumber. This confirms that the value 12 is indeed a number. In my Excel journey, I've found the combination of the mid and value functions incredibly useful. I've used them for various applications, such as dynamic photo changers and creating variable drop-down menus. Remember, Excel is a powerful tool. Don't be afraid to explore its capabilities. With practice and a curious mind, you can become an Excel wizard. Thank you for watching Secret Weapons of Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends and colleagues. And most importantly, keep practicing your Excel skills.